Hey everyone, welcome to the National Boy Scout Day edition of our CPA News Update. I'm Bill Sheridan with the Maryland Association of CPAs and the Business Learning Institute. Let's take a quick look at what's happening today, Monday, February 8th, 2016. First up, business issues are heating up in Annapolis as lawmakers and Governor Larry Hogan try to hash out what to do with a budget surplus while navigating controversial issues like requiring employers to offer paid sick leave. Tax issues and business-related spending alike will be on display in the next dozen days, lawmakers said at the Greater Baltimore Committee's annual legislative forum on Monday. You can read more about that on the Baltimore Business Journal's website, rather. Meanwhile, CPAs will be back in Annapolis tomorrow for round two of hearings related to a proposed appeal bond cap for small businesses. The MACPA and its members will testify at a hearing for Senate Bill 231, which would create a lower appeal bond cap for businesses with 250 or fewer employees. Keep an eye on our blog, cpasuccess.com, for details as they develop. The Protecting Americans from Tax Hikes Act of 2015 contains a number of windfall business tax breaks for 2015, including tax breaks available on the 2015 return, even though they were off the books when the events triggering the breaks occurred. 3 of those breaks are highlighted in recently updated 2015 form instructions. Those breaks are the Work Opportunity Tax Credit, the Credit for Differential Wage Payments, and the Empowerment Zone Employment Credit. And you can get details on all of those at accountingweb.com. A pair of recent reports by the Government Accountability Office points to inconsistencies in fairness, selection, and internal controls in how the IRS chooses taxpayer returns for audits. The reports are the latest in a series requested by the House Ways and Means Committee following the IRS targeting scandal. The GAO was asked to review each business unit of the IRS to ensure that returns are fairly selected for audits. AccountingWeb.com has those details. A record 4,279 individuals renounced their U.S. citizenship or long-term residency in 2015. That's according to data released by the Treasury Department. Experts say the growing number of renunciations by citizens and long-term holders of green cards is related to an enforcement campaign by U.S. officials against undeclared offshore accounts. Read more on the Wall Street Journal's website. Internal auditors are increasingly finding themselves tasked with new responsibilities that carry some degree of risk. That's according to a new report from the Institute of Internal Auditors Audit Executive Center. The report raises serious questions about how practitioners are coping with these new demands. Get details at accountingtoday.com. Tax preparers might do well to prepare their clients for possible delays due to automated inefficiencies at the Internal Revenue Service, according to a report from the Tax Advocate Service. The delays, which have been reported as a serious problem since 2003, are caused by automatic freezing of refunds when the IRS's pre-refund wage verification, also known as income wage verification, identifies suspected false wages and withholding. CPAtrendlines.com has all the details on that. Accounting, tax, bookkeeping, and payroll businesses have been growing sales at a healthy rate this past year. SageWorks found that the average private company falling into the category of either accounting, tax preparation, bookkeeping, or payroll services grew sales at an annual rate of 12%. That figure represents a higher growth rate than the average privately held company achieved over the same period. Read more about that at accountingtoday.com. Finally, a couple of great webcasts are scheduled for tomorrow. First up is Payroll Taxes and 1099 Issues, Everything You Need to Know. That'll run from 9 to 5. Also running from 9 to 5 tomorrow is Revenue Recognition, Mastering the New FASB Requirements. You can get details and register for either or both of those at macpa.org. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.